Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you what am I doing with my iPad 2 in 2019 and next year 2020. So as this machine is not so useful anymore, I will use it in my kitchen to watch TV, to use it as a clock, to use it as a digital photo frame, to read some recipes and stream some music. So in order to do that, we need to buy some magnetic tape. So you can find this magnetic tape in AliExpress or eBay. It's really cheap. So this is the final result and it works really well. So you can put your iPad with no fear that it will fall to the ground. Okay, so as you can see, it's a really nice idea. Okay, so you can use for all the things I told you and other stuff that you want to use it for, and you can put it higher for the kids not to put it down, and it's a really good idea. Okay, so let's check now if you decide to use it as a clock. If you decide to use it to watch TV, and you can also listen to some music, or even stream music to your entire house with Bluetooth. In order to do that, you just need to buy a YouTube receiver, sound receiver. It's a gadget like this. It's also really cheap on eBay or AliExpress. Just plug a jack to your soundbar, to your amplifier, and you are ready to go. As you can see, the Bluetooth is connected, and I cut the music in order to don't have a strike, because this is not royalty free music. Okay, and this is a really nice idea to give use to your old iPad. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you and goodbye. If you like this video, please subscribe.